Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the Science Kitchen. Today we've got a perfect midweek pasta dish, our chorizo sausage pasta. So to start, we've got some shallots we're just going to dice and add this to our pan. With this we've got a couple of cloves of garlic, allowed to sweat down in the pan for a couple of minutes. To this we're going to take our chorizo sausage and we're just going to slice into pieces, add that to your shallots and garlic and cook out for another 2 to 5 minutes. And you're going to see these beautiful oils start to release from the sausage, which gives a really intoxicating aroma. To this we're going to add some regular butcher's pork sausages that we just remove the skins and then torn into these chunks, which give a beautiful difference in texture when added and finished off into our pasta dish. Cook these out for 5 minutes and we're going to add a tablespoon of tomato puree. Now to form the sauce for the dish, to this we're just going to add a couple of tablespoons of plain flour, stir this in, cook it out, then we're going to add 100 to 200 ml of chicken stock. Next, to add some vegetables into the mix, we've got some roasted red pepper. I just need this to simmer, so take off the hot heat, allow it to simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. While that's simmering, we're going to cook our pasta. So take some boiling salted water and add in your dried pasta of choice. So you want to cook this out for 5 to 10 minutes and cook it to your liking. I like it with a little bit of bite, a little bit of texture, a little bit al dente. Once cooked, drain. Then we're going to add our sauce to our pasta, and just for some colour and freshness into the dish, we've got some chopped green parsley. Stir this in to completely combine and finish our pasta dish. And to finish, we've just got some extra parsley and some Parmesan cheese. So here's our chorizo sausage pasta done.